Hi, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to explain you how to create your own terrariums. Here I started with taking some sun decoration which actually matches some of the colors of the furniture that I'm going to have those terrariums hanging in. Then I add some topsoil to it. I will describe the different products that are on the table on the description box below. Then I mixed it all with the soil of the cactus and the topsoil. I make a hole for the cactus and I make sure that I position it where I want it to go, and that I make some room for the other cactus I want to put next to it. And I topped it up with a little bit more of topsoil. If there's any rocks, you can just destroy the rock into your finger to create like a powder. I would recommend wearing gloves. Here I'm not wearing gloves, but I would recommend wearing gloves. I found out that actually it could be quite painful if you have your fingers too close to the cactus. Then I finish it up with a little bit of water. Make sure the soil is moistured. And I topped it up again with some decoration items. So I used the sand again. I use also some white stones. Those ones I got them at the IKEA in the flower section. And that's it, it's pretty much done now. I just clean the terrarium glass all around. And it's pretty much done. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you're interested in home decoration, feel free to subscribe. I post videos every week. Thanks for watching.